Hey guys, let's talk about this interesting counting problem. The even number of all digits could be 0, 2, or 4. In the case of 0 all digits, we have 4 options for the leading digit and 5 options for each of the 3 remaining digits. So the count is equal to 4 times 5 times 5 times 5. In the case of 2 odd digits, if the leading digit is even with 4 options, we need to select another even digit from the 3 remaining digits with 5 options for each. So the count is equal to 4 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 5. If the leading digit is odd with 5 options, we need to select another odd digit from the 3 remaining digits with 5 options for each. So the count is equal to 5 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 5. In the case of 4 odd digits, we have 5 options for each of the 4 digits. So the count is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. And we can sum up those counts to get our result. Alright guys, that's the end. Thanks for your attention. I'll see you in the next video.